हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू यूट्यूब चैनल अलिग अकेडमी। ये मॉक टेस्ट 5 फॉर AMU BA हॉनर्स एंट्रेंस एग्जाम 2026 टू 27 सेशन। तो बिना किसी देरी के सॉल्व करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, चूज द सिनोनिम ऑफ एवरेज। इसका ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा, शॉर्टन। क्वेश्चन 2, चूज द एंटोनिम ऑफ बेनवोलेंट। इसका ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, क्रूअल। फिल इन द ब्लैंक। सी डैश इन दिस स्कूल सिंस 2019। इसका ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, हैज बीन टीचिंग। चूज द करेक्ट पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ द मैनेजर हैज अप्रूव्ड द प्रपोजल। इसका ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा, द प्रपोजल हैज बीन अप्रूव्ड बाय द मैनेजर। Question 5. Choose the meaning of the idiom to hit the nail on the head. It means to say exactly the right thing. Question 6. Choose the one word substitution for a person who loves books. इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट होगा, bibliophile. Question 7. Fill in the blank. If I dash enough money, I would buy a new laptop. इसका ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा, if I had enough money, I would buy a new laptop. Question 8. Choose the synonym of reluctant. इसका ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा, unwilling. चूज द एंटोनिम ऑफ स्कार्स। इसका ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, प्लेंटी। चूज द करेक्ट पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ डिड द टीचर प्रेज यू। इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट होगा, वर यू प्रेज्ड बाय द टीचर। फिल इन द ब्लैंक। द मीटिंग विल स्टार्ट एज सून एज द चेयरमैन डैश अराइव्स। चूज द मीनिंग ऑफ द इडियम, टू बीट अराउंड द बुश, टू अवॉइड द मेन टॉपिक। चूज द वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर अ प्लेस वेयर बर्ड्स आर केप्ट, एवियरी। चूज द सिनोनिम ऑफ कॉशियस। इसका ए करेक्ट होगा, केयरफुल। चूज द एंटोनियम ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल। इसका सी करेक्ट होगा, नेचुरल। फिल इन द ब्लैंक। बाय नेक्स्ट मंथ ही डैश द प्रोजेक्ट। इसका ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, विल हैव कंप्लीटेड द प्रोजेक्ट। चूज द करेक्ट पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ दे आर बिल्डिंग अ न्यू ब्रिज। अ न्यू ब्रिज इज बीइंग बिल्ट। चूज द मीनिंग ऑफ द इडियम, टू क्राई ओवर स्पिल्ट मिल्क। टू क्राई ओवर स्पिल्ट मिल्क। इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट होगा, टू कंप्लेन अबाउट अ पास्ट मिस्टेक। चूज द वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर अ स्पीच मेड इन ऑनर ऑफ ए डेड पर्सन, यूलगी। क्वेश्चन 19. चूज द वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर अ स्पीच मेड इन ऑनर ऑफ ए डेड पर्सन। इसका ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, यूलॉजी। चूज द सिनोनिम ऑफ हॉस्टाइल। इसका ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा, अनफ्रेंडली। चूज द एंटोनिम ऑफ एंशिएंट। इसका ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, मॉडर्न। फिल इन द ब्लैंक। नाइदर ऑफ द बॉयज डैश प्रेजेंट इन द क्लास yesterday, was present in the class yesterday. Choose the correct sentence completion. No sooner had she reached the airport dash the flight took off. इसका ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा, then the flight took off. Choose the one word substitution for a person who speaks many languages, polyglot. Choose the synonym of diligent, hardworking. Which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Kerala. Who among the following was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Chandragupta Maurya. Which river is called the Sorrow of Bihar? Kosi River. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the list of states and union territories? First schedule. Question 30. Which scientist proposed the three laws of motion? Isaac Newton. Which city was the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire? Hampi. Which country is known as the land of white elephant? Thailand. Which Indian cricketer became the fastest to score 40,000 runs in ODI cricket? Virat Kohli. Which Indian state has the largest coastline? Gujarat. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which gas is mainly responsible for acid rain? Sulfur dioxide. Which country won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? India. Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea in India? Assam. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice is located in The Hague. Which Mughal emperor shifted the capital from Agra to Delhi and built Shahjahan? Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Stratosphere. Which Indian athlete won the gold medal in the men's javelin throw at the Tokyo Olympics? Neeraj Chopra. Which Indian state launched India's first dedicated deep tech startup policy in January 2026? Tamil Nadu. Which battle was fought in 1764 between the British India Company and the combined forces of Mir Qasim, Suja Uddaulah and Shah Alam II? इसका ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, बैटल ऑफ बक्सर. Which Indian city is called the Manchester of South India? Coimbatore. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Pancreas. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Sarojini Naidu. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Brazil. Which award is given for excellence in Indian cinema by Government of India? The Sahab Phalke Award. Which Indian player won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year 2025 award? Smriti Mandana. Which Indian state is known as the land of monasteries? Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian freedom fighter founded the Forward Bloc in 1939? Subhash Chandra Bose. Which article of the Constitution deals with the impeachment of the President of India? Article 61. Which blood group known as the universal donor? O negative. Which Indian city is situated on the banks of the Sabarmati River? Ahmedabad. Who among the following was known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. Which Indian shooter won the BBC Emerging Player of the Year 2025 award? Divya Deshmukh. Which vitamin is mainly obtained from sunlight? Vitamin D. Which ruler was called the Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. Which Indian state shares an international border with the largest number of countries? Arunachal Pradesh. Which country hosted the 2025 BRICS Summit? Brazil. Which Indian hockey player received the Major Dhyanchand Lifetime Achievement Award at the Hockey India Awards 2025? Jafar Iqbal. Which is the only planet in the solar system that rotates clockwise? Venus. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate according to 2011 census? Kerala. Who among the following established the slave dynasty in India? Qutbuddin Aibak. The famous Alig Darwaza was built by Alauddin Khilji. Which Mughal emperor issued the Mazhar in 1579? Akbar. Which Persian historian wrote the book Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi? Ziauddin Barni. The tomb of Etimad Ad-Dola is located in Agra. Which ruler introduced the Persian festival of Nowruz at the Mughal court? Akbar. The Deen-e-Ilahi was introduced in 1582. Which saint's dargah is situated at Pakpatan in present-day Pakistan? Baba Farid. The scientific society founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was later shifted to Aligarh from Ghazipur. Which British official strongly supported Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in establishing the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College? Theodore Beck. Who among the following became the first principal of Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College? H.G. Siddons. The Mohammedan Educational Conference was founded in 1886. Which noted Urdu poet who wrote the famous Marsiya Musaddas-e-Hali? Altaf Hussain Hali. The foundation stone of the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College was laid by Lord Lytton. Which Aligarh leader later became the first VC of Aligarh Muslim University in 1920? Muhammad Ali Muhammad Khan. Which Mughal emperor built the Moti Masjid inside the Red Fort? Aurangzeb. Tehzeeb-ul-Akhlaq was first published in 1870. Which building in AMU is popularly known as the heart of the university? Maulana Azad Library. The founder of the Deoband school was Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi. Which Mughal emperor was defeated by Sher Shah Suri in Battle of Kannauj? Humayun. The famous Persian work Akbarnama was written by Abul Fazl. Which important gate of AMU is named after Queen Victoria? Victoria Gate. Who among the following was known as Nightingale of India and also visited Aligarh to support women's education? Sarojini Naidu. The Urdu poet who gave the slogan Sare Jahan Se Acha was Muhammad Iqbal. Which year is regarded as the official establishment year of Aligarh Muslim University? 1920. 91 to 100 है रीजनिंग एंड इंटेलिजेंस से.